everything I thought I need is falling away, falling away, falling away, falling away. May I open into truth, and may I be of service to the One. May I see the places in me that are unconscious or wounded, and may I face them truthfully and with courage. May I take responsibility for myself and my choices, and may I be in allowance of others having their own experience. May I have love and joy and affection in my life, and may I share this with others. May I have health. With full abandon, may I radically open into what is. May awakening to the truth of who I am be something that is not only possible for me, but something that I come to know is who I have been all